So I decided to give this another try. Let's see what it has for us. The unveiling. Now it's been some time. Like it's definitely been a while. She's gorgeous. It's Curl Life Wanderlust. Okay, Hair Culture Sophistication Curl Kit Publications. So you know, we have information, the insider's note, tips and fixes. Oh, that's good. They're addressing after coronavirus. Swag style, but it doesn't say what's actually in the box. Dun, 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 dun. Looking like Palmer's. Is that Palmer's? Yeah, Palmer's. So Zero Break a pre-shampoo. So this is a pre-poo. Okay. The Mega Long Extreme Reconstructor by Dougru. So it's the ultimate lengthening conditioner. Oh, really? So Palmer's must have sponsored this one. Some lip balm. Not what I expected in a hair box, but whatever. Yes, some hand cream. This is so odd. I thought this was a hair box. Body lotion. See what I'm saying? Oh, is this the snot? No, it's smoothing edge glue. Curls. See, I like curls. Cashmere and Caviar collection. So the hair bath, which is another shampoo. Cleanses with active charcoal as it naturally conditions with cashmere. See, this is why I stopped the box. Now I like curls, and I've never tried the argan oil, but that's all they was sending me before was freaking shampoo. I had so much shampoo, never sent the conditioner, and now it's it's body products. In these little packs, you know, you can get that. They're like freaking $2 at the hair store. So this is it. This is it. This is it. Hand cream, some lip balm, some body lotion, one-time use packs, a pre-poo and a conditioner, a bottle of hair bath. I'm gonna try it. Of course I'm gonna try it. And some edge glue. And I don't be slicking my edges down that much, but now I have that, I will. But yeah, this is exactly why I canceled my subscription. Once again. And I literally haven't been purchasing anything because I wanted to see what they were going to send, and this is what they send. Nothing.